Hello everyone, welcome again to a Life of Bliss channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious looking macaroni salad. You can have this for dinner or you can even have it as your side dish. Okay, so right here I have my macaroni. This is what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be bringing this to a boil. As you can see, right here I have my pot with water in it. I just added some salt, and I'm going to be bringing this to a boil. As you can see, it's boiling. Right now I'm going to be adding my macaroni. This is just a very simple dinner idea, and as you can see, it's already cooked. Right now I'm just going to allow it to cool down till it's completely cool or cold before I can use it. So it's cold, it's time to make our salad, as you can see. So first off, I have my radish. I'm going to just wash these radishes, slice them and set it aside. And I'm also using yogurt. Feel free to use mayonnaise if you like, but I'm using some yogurt for this recipe. Also to the yogurt, I'm adding some powdered onion and some black pepper. The onion is optional. I love onions a lot, that's why I want to add it to whatever I'm having. I have here some shredded carrots. Shredded or grated carrots. So I'm just mixing that together. And then I'm adding some spinach that I just cut up. And I'm adding the already cut up radish, as you can see. Also, I'm adding some green pepper already cut up. It's also time for me to add some already cut up strawberries. And I'll mix that together. So feel free to skip any of those ingredients. Whatever you don't feel like putting, you can skip it. So it's time to add the macaroni. As you can see, I just added the macaroni and mixing that together, and at this point our salad is all done. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers and those who keep coming back. God bless you. I hope to see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.